fucking mint, this jacket. They're looking fucking hot, yo.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to a double denim party in Christchurch, so we're catching a flight at like 1:30 today. It's currently like 10, so I'm just gonna do my makeup here, pack my clothes and pack my accessories and stuff, and then finish getting ready in Christchurch because the party doesn't start till about 7, but we didn't want to catch a later flight just in case it was delayed and everything. We didn't want to be stressing out, so we're just doing half here, half there, and then our flight tomorrow home's like super early, so hopefully I don't get a hangover because it was like $100 cheaper to fly home at like 9 AM rather than 11 AM. Like, it made no sense, so whatever. Today I'm doing a get ready with me like my last one, which I'll link down below. If you missed it, you have to see it because I got so much good feedback. Thank you guys so much for giving me all of that feedback because I thought it was such a cool video, but I had no idea how you guys were gonna find it. So I'm really happy you guys loved it just as much as I did. Basically, we're gonna do a get ready with me with our face. We're gonna do a little bit of makeup, do some hair, although I might just like, I don't know if I'm gonna do straight or wavy today. Outfit, accessories, the whole shebang, and I'll take you along to the party just a little bit just to show you guys what we get up to. So I am going to start doing my makeup. Here's my current outfit. This huge fluffy like Clinique robe. It's so comfortable, but I'm kind of sweaty. And I've got my little Christmas light on. It's my only one. Let's get started. This is the Dermalogica Pure Light sunscreen. Sorry if you can hear Hamish doing the dishes in the background. It's just, you know, that Saturday morning life. Usually when I'm filming, Hamish isn't home. So I'm thinking for my makeup today, I'm gonna do blue eyeshadow because it's denim on denim, double denim, and I'm like, well, why not go all out and do like denim colored eyeshadow as well? Like, isn't that logical? So I'm thinking of doing like super 90s vibes. I don't know, maybe like a 90s like brownish lip, and then the double denim, and then straight wavy hair. I don't know yet, we'll figure it out. This is Strobe Cream by MAC. I haven't used this in a little while, but it's one of my favorite things ever. This one's in Gold Light, so it's got a little bit of like a golden reflection in it. I have a giant pimple there, a giant pimple there, and a giant pimple there, so that's great. Now I already wet my sponge, which is the Flawless Finish Sponge by XO Beauty. It's nice and clean. I used my solid brush cleaner by XO Beauty. Just swirl the sponge around in it, like wet the sponge first and then swirl the sponge around, or brush if you're washing a brush. And then I just like massage it into the sponge and run it under water and massage it again and squeeze it out, and just keep doing that until it looks clean and until the water runs clear. And then you are ready to use your sponge. The bacteria is banished. No bacteria in these parts, and it's fresh and ready to use, and wet because I always wet my sponge, so like I might as well just clean it as I go. Sometimes I don't because I get lazy, but the brush soap's sitting there, I'll clean it. It's only if Hamish moves the brush soap, and I'm like, I can't be bothered trying to figure out where he's put it. Otherwise, yeah, just wash it every single time you use it. It's better for your skin. You're not going to spread bacteria around. I should listen to that advice because clearly something's happening right here. I was going to use something new, but I'm like, I need my makeup to look really good for a long amount of time because it is only like, was actually 9:45, and I don't want to like take makeup with me and retouch. Like, I'll probably take some concealer, some lash glue, like the basics, just in case I have to touch up anything. But I want my base to last the whole time, you know, so this is my Natural Radiance in Punjab, and this stuff lasts all day on me. I know that for a fact. I'm just going to, oh frick, I forgot to outline my eyebrows. I'm just going to blend this around, not close to my eyebrows, and we'll do the eyebrows in a second. Hamish is currently making me a coffee. I'm going to use a concealer I have been neglecting lately as well, which is my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, because you guys know I was obsessed with this like all year, but then I kind of was like, I need to stop using it in every video, so I was using my Too Faced one, my Tarte one, my Nabla one. But honestly, like, this is still a ride or die. Yeah, this stuff's so good. Then I'm just going to dip my sponge into it, and honestly, like, look at this shit. Like, sorry, but can you see that? Like, it's so nice. I like to put it on my waterline just to conceal the redness because I have such red eyes. Did I say I use the shade Custard as well under my eyes as well? Because I don't really care if it's like not a lot lighter. I'm going to try the Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder again by Marc Jacobs under my eyes. I can't actually even remember like what I thought of this. Alright, now let's do a little bit of eye makeup. Look how pretty she is. Like a couple of these ones. I don't want to go like hard out. Like, I just want like a simple eye makeup. I'm not doing like cut creases and all that kind of stuff. Just something pretty. I've got this Blue Moon palette by Colourpop, which I might use some like dark shades. I don't know yet. going to start with a round eye brush, which looks like this. And I'm going to go into the shade Chai. This one right here.
When I come out, I've got no clothes on.
I got my coffee. So I'm taking Chai through the crease. I'm using this brush because it helps to like make the color like super blown out and like seamless. Alright, something like that is good. And I'm gonna spritz my brush with some setting spray. And I'm going to first take Jode and I'm gonna press that just all over that eyelid. And I feel like it's perfect for my denim look. This could be a cute look for you guys to recreate if you're just wearing like a cute outfit anyway, like denim jeans, white tee. Taking the tiniest bit of fine china by Colourpop on a blending brush. This one's by Kylie Jenner. I'm just going to soften the edge. I'm gonna take the OA shade and put that on top. It's a little bit more like chunky, glittery and deeper. Now I'm going to take the shade Bowie. I might end up using a dark blue in the outer corner, but I want to start with this just in case like the blue is too intense. Like I want to see how this looks because this might be like nicer. Now I'm taking Chai again, which was the very first colour. I'm just using that to assist the blending. I just want it to look nice and soft. I don't want it to look crazy because I am going to be around like, you know, humans. I should have used a better blending brush because this this one is like, look at the state of it. It's like friggin' not in a good shape and it's making it a little bit difficult to figure out where I'm putting this color. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this up now and just see how we are looking because it always looks different when you actually like tidy it up, you know. You can hear Hamish walking around with his ice drink. It's like alright, so we're looking alright and I'm going to add that to my brow bone. I'm going to use my Nabla, what is this called, Brow Divine, whoop, wrong side, just to fill in my brows. Alright, now let's set the rest of the face. I feel like the eye makeup's going to come together a lot better once we do some eyeliner because right now it looks strange. We're going to use MAC Studio Fix powder, C20 and a kabuki brush. I'm just going to press that on. Oh my god, I've got a big patch of missing foundation on my nose. Oh no. This is gonna look cakey, but it's better than having a patch missing. I'm going to use my Hamptons... I'm going to use my Hamptons Weekender palette. Did not break. Farmer's Market to contour. Just using a domed contour brush by So Beauty. Just blending that in. A little bit over top of my little bump on my nose. My foundation's sitting so bad over my nose today, so you have to excuse that. I like to pull a bit under my lip. And I'll come back to this in a second. Oh, I'm itchy. But let's just do bronzer first. Oh, I haven't used this in ages. Global Glow by MAC. Ooh. I'm going to use my dense fiber brush to buff this in. See how it's like a duo fiber? Oh my god, I've got like hair stuck in it. So just taking some on my brush. And I'm going to swirl this on my actual cheek. This will kind of give it a glow as well, of course, which I'm all about. I take some down the center of my nose, chin, and underneath the chin. And most importantly, my favorite area to bronze, around my hairline, because it just looks pretty. I don't really have like a huge forehead, but I just like the way this looks. I like having this like orangey undertone with the blue in the eyeshadow, makes it pop a little more. Now I'm going to go back into my Tarte and I'm going to use Summer House, which is the black. Whoa, a bit too much. Just a little bit of this. And then I'm going to take a highlighting brush. My favorite one is my Detail Face brush with the shade Beach Getaway. It'll go real nice with the brow bone highlight we used before from the CARLI BYBEL palette. I'm going to show you a song. Alright, let's do a Monster Cat one so I don't get actually like copyrighted because I'm allowed to use Monster Cat music. Okay, this artist, Justin O. Where's the drop? Is that how you dance in the club?
You don't know the things I do to make you feel right, make you feel alright. And everything you wanna know, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Spreading for so long. Do you feel right? Do you feel right? This is all I wanna know. Are you telling me that you'll be by my side when I wake up at night? I love the city lights when you never look so bright. Oh. this is all I wanna know. Tell me you feel alright. Tell me you feel alright. Show me your face, don't push me away.
I will link my Huda Beauty lip swatch video down below. I am obsessed. Like, the colors are so good. They're like the perfect nudes. So I've got some like different ones right here. I just want to go for something that's like a little bit 90s. Like I said, like some kind of like brownie nude. So to start, I'm going to use Mari lip pencil, which definitely needs a little sharpening. This is like my perfect lip color. I love this. Like, I'm even tempted to leave it like that, but no, like that's like the perfect tone though. So on top, which one am I gonna do? I might dab on a little bit of the shade Last Night, which is like a brownie color, mixed with a little bit of Staycation, which is like a paler beige. Ooh, I like that. I might actually just take the paler one and Mari. And I've got like a little pile right here of, oh, you can't even see it, of all this stuff I'm gonna pack with me, because I don't need to take everything, let's be real. Add a little bit more highlighter. Alright, so for my hair, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, do I just keep it straight? Definitely need some like dry shampoo. Alright, so I did a little poll on Instagram. It said straight or curly, because I just can't decide. I'm like, straight is more 90s I feel, but curly is cuter. People said curls. I don't know if you can read that, but yeah, curls is winning. And then after this, I've just got to quickly chuck all my stuff together. So we leave at 1. That means I've got an hour and a half still. So I'm doing pretty well on time. Got this GHD Heat Protect Spray. Batiste dry shampoo. Should have really done that before I did my makeup, because I like to let it like just sit in my hair for ages so that it can work its magic, and then massage it in at the end and brush it out. But this will still do the job just fine. And I'm going to pop in some of my chic hair extensions. I'm using like half a bunch or so. They're the same length as my own hair. I'm just gonna thicken it up a bit. I'm so stoked with how long my hair's getting though, guys. Like, it is insane, and it's like getting so thick now too. Like, these short layers that snapped off years ago are like actually getting long, so I can't wait for them to like catch up, you know. Hopefully by the time I get married it'll be like kind of even. I can just like get it trimmed so that it looks a lot thicker. Feb 13th 2021.
You knew it wasn't real with her. You stayed there with her, with her. But you didn't care. You stayed there with her. You stayed, and she's a killer, killer.
It's fucking mint, this jacket. They're looking fucking hot, yo.
It's a cool colour.
Look at the stretch in it too. Ready? It's got like really good stretch. It was 150 from Buckers.
Oh yeah.
And look at the inside, it's quite cool.
Buckers, that's random.
Yeah, I couldn't find that one anywhere else.
Yeah.
Done some pretty cool shit actually.
Good.
This one, which was from Cotton On, $60. But you'll notice that one's dressy. This one's nice, but it's more sort of.
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's more relaxed, but it's nice.
Nice.
And then
I feel like you've got that in your closet.
I don't. But I'll check it and I'll take it back to do. But it's got the top neck piece, which is a little more casual than the other shit.
Alright, I need to go chuck on just an outfit for the airport and pack.
Fucking hot.
It is hot. I'm going to pack my Montgalan Floral. That's the perfume I'll wear tonight. You want to show them your jacket?
Nah, it's gonna, but
I'll show them later. So I've got a few of my accessories in here. A few. There's a lot, but anyway. Bobby pins. And then I'm going to put in... I haven't packed yet. Nope. And I'll put that in my toiletries. I've got the denim top from Pretty Little Thing from my haul. I'll link the haul down below for you. Some denim jeans. Woo! Denim on denim. Thought I would show you our hotel room. We're staying at Crown Plaza and we've already got our shit everywhere. It was pretty well priced too for like a nice hotel. This isn't what I'm wearing. This is my food outfit. We've just ordered some salads. Yeah, the bed's super comfy and they've got It Works spray. Look, you guys know I've raved about this. The deep sleep pillow spray. Yum. So nice and warm and look at the cute view. Got this chicken thing, salad. Yum. These are the shortest shorts in the whole world, but the jeans were so uncomfortable. It's so hot. And the jacket's going to be coming off soon, but I've got the Pretty Little Thing corset top thing. And this jacket is from Zara. I got it in like Japan. These shorts are from Showpo. The belt is from Beginning Boutique, I think. And I didn't end up wearing any earrings. Oh, and I'm wearing my Zara boots. I had white heels as well, but they didn't look right.